Good evening. You are appearing for Deputy Vice President post for contract appointment with Indian Bank, and that too as MSME Relationship Manager. Now, can you tell me what prompted you to like to join this post? Why do you want to join our bank, and that too on contract basis?
Sir, since I was working with Canada Bank since
No, no.
2015,
Mm,
and from the very first posting, I was looking after the credit vertical of my bank, and uh, I think I am skillful in the credit appraisal and the sanction part.
good.
So currently, I'm
Very
looking after
Very
the
sufficient. Sufficient. Now, please tell me what is the credit exposure for you? In which administrative offices have you worked or branches have you worked?
no, sir. Since the date of joining, I had been working with the branches only, and I had processed and sanctioned different loans like agricultural loans, MSME loans, retail loans, and gold loans, sir.
Very nice. Now, Mr. What is it? I'm not asking your name. Mr. Can you please tell me whether your physical handicap will be affecting your performance in bank?
No, sir. I never thought that the disability will affect my performance in the bank
What about
because,
type? What about using computer?
sir, I was able to sit and use the computer for the day, sir, for the whole day.
Very
This never affected my performance, sir.
excellent. Congrats. Now you you have kids with you. You are married and you have kids.
Yes, sir. I'm married and I have two kids, sir.
Excellent. What are they doing? Which class are they studying?
Sir, my elder daughter is studying class 4, and my younger daughter, she is just 2.5 years old.
By joining our bank, are you particular about being posted in some particular district or city? Because our bank's posting policy is we will take people to anywhere that we like. What does the application say? Did they tell you that you can specify the place of posting? What is it? What does it say?
Sir, as per the notification, I had understood that the posting will be all over India, so I'm open to that. Uh, if the bank thinks that I'm suitable for for a particular state or district, the bank may, sir.
Good. However, your first preference is Odisha, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. My first preference.
Now, I will give you 3 minutes time and you have
Yes.
to tell me your attachment towards MSME, your achievements in MSME. First 3 minutes. Please talk.
Sir, my attachment to MSME in the Canara Bank, where that I have looked after loans from PM Sonidhi from a very basic amount of 5 to 10,000 to the maximum extent we have appraised in our branch was 37 crores, and for a single customer. And during the period, uh, I was processing different kinds of MSME loans from government schemes to our bank products like PMJDY, PM Sonidhi, PMEGP, uh, all Mudra loans, and different uh, uh, bank products in MSME segments like Canara, Bahan, Canara Bapar, Canara GST. So, what we have how we have resourced the proposals to the bank, like we usually schedule a regular visit to the nearby uh, industries, nearby units, and collect the database from the local chartered accountants to find good customers. On receiving applications from the customers, we usually check their credit worthiness from the civil or the different credit rating agencies. After that, we uh, suggest the borrower to apply the required loan under certain products, and even if possible, some applicants, they uh, seek our help, like how to apply the loans under government schemes to get the subsidized amounts. We always guide the customers whether they will be eligible or not. So, in my tenure, sir, the average ticket size of the loans, MSME loans, were around 10 to 30 lakhs, because I had been posted always to a semi-urban or rural branch. So, many loans, MSME loans, we had sanctioned for purchasing of commercial vehicles like trucks or buses. We have sanctioned MSME loans to the fly ash bricks. We have sanctioned MSME loans to purchase stocks for their working capital needs. For plant and machineries also, we had sanctioned loans, sir. So,
Good. So
so
uh,
that is all, sir.
that is okay. Now, what do you know about MSME? Can you tell the definition of MSME?
Sir, MSME is micro, small, and medium enterprises, sir.
Now, what is the definition? What is the minimum condition for investment limit and turnover limit?
Uh, Sir, as per the revised guidelines, sir, the MSME uh, for the service sector, sir, shall I tell, sir?
No, it is applicable for both services as well as for manufacturing sector. Now it is applicable for both. I think you have
Yes, sir.
not you are
Sir,
not you
sir,
have not
for
studied
the
this
micro enterprises, sir, it's from 1 crore to 5 crore.
wrong.
For the small, it's
Wrong.
10 to 50 crore.
No,
And for the medium,
you are telling correct figures, but you are not presenting it correctly. You should tell micro industry is one where the investment in plant and machinery
yes, sir,
is less
investment
than
in
1
plant and
crore
machinery.
and turnover is less than 5 crore. Similarly, a
Yes, sir.
small industry is one where the investment in plant and machinery is less than 10 crores and turnover less than
Turnover is
50
50
crores.
crores.
On the
Yes, sir.
contrary, medium investment plant and machinery less than 50 crore and turnover less than 250 crore.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you know it, but you are not able to present it correctly. And another
Yes.
question they will ask you is, what is your knowledge regarding SIDB? No, but one way when you started telling about MSME, you were telling PM Swanidhi and all. Please don't tell about that. That's very silly. Swanidhi scheme is only 10,000, maximum 20,000. And of course, it is one of the micro industries, but it doesn't give weightage when you tell that. You tell only about the manufacturing industries or service industries for which you have been giving 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, etc. And have some figures
Yes, sir.
like I have processed proposals roughly about 60 to 70 MSME proposals during my tenure as branch manager or as officer, and the maximum ticket was this much amount, and there has been no NPA in all that I have done except minor amounts, one or two accounts, where also we have been taking steps to recover. That is how you have to tell positively about yourself.
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to this one, say, um, mm, say you have been sanctioning advances for this and all. Now, apart from this, you must know generally ideas about what is MSME, performance of MSME to GDP. 30% of our country's GDP is given by MSME, and nearly 50% of employment opportunities are given by MSME. So many areas exports are being made only from MSME, and imports are also made for MSME. So like that, you should talk something as if you know about it. And at this stage, you must be thorough with what SIDBI is doing for MSME. And was there any contact between Canara Bank and SIDBI as far as these proposals are concerned? And I don't know. You must be able to tell me. And next point is, you must know thoroughly about CGTMSE, new scheme, that
Yes, sir.
guarantee scheme. उसका बारे में पूरा पूरा पढ़ना है. अगले बार जब हम लोग मीट करेंगे, तब आप हमको क्लियरली बिल्कुल पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट बताना है. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
know
sir.
you may not be able to tell now because there was no time for you to prepare. So that was the
No,
very
sir. The basic knowledge what I have gained on CGTMSE, that sir, it is a like credit guarantee, and the coverage currently per borrower is up to 5 crores, and there is a annual guarantee fee. Again, which varies from 0.37% to 1.55% per annum. And
उसमें there was some revision recently. उसको verify कर दीजिए. There was some revision. There was
sir, as per the budget announcement, the government has announced that per borrower, probably it is going 100 crores, sir,
no
the
no
maximum.
no. The reduction they are doing. Anyhow, you please go through CGT MSC, and if you come across, you tell me the details about the premium rate to be charged. I'm not
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm not convinced with the answer given by you. Please go through that and check up and then tell me. I am not able to confirm the detail. The detail I
Yes.
had with me is something else, some 0.135 something something. It that is what I read in some material. I may be wrong, but आप थोड़ा verify करके हमको बता दीजिए.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. And then you seem to be having sufficient knowledge about CGT MSc. That is a good point. Then regarding SIDBI में क्या क्या जानते हैं आप?
Sir,
Because
should be.
I am asking about SIDBI because they are very particular about the role played by SIDBI.
Sir, SIDBI is acting as a principal financial institution for promoting the finance to MSME sector, sir.
Correct. And I think they are the people monitoring the CGT MSc also. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And you have to go to that website, and there you are having these points: financing MSME clusters in different states and union territories. What is the impact initiatives? Pura pad lijiye so that you can talk about it. Then you must be able to know what is Udyam registration, what is Jan Samarth, what is Udyan Mitra, who is the minister for micro, small, medium enterprises, something like that. ये सबको आप prepare होना है. And un लोग का latest press release कुछ who is the chairman now? There has been a change, na? There has been a change.
Sir, in the Indian bank, sir?
No. Indian Bank में change हो गया ना क्या? Shanti Lal Jain, is he not
हाँ
continuing?
जी सर, शांतिलाल जैन सर,
He's has
शांतिलाल
been given
जैन।
extension up to December.
Yes, sir.
And now I am asking about SIDBI chairman. There was a change.
Sir,
Siva
Mr.
Subramanian Raman was there. He has been, mm, some other person is being taken note of for this. Mm. I am asking 1 minute. India, new chairman of SIDBI. Who is the chairman?
Sir, some Manoj Mittal assumes charge as SEDBI chairman and managing director. It is the update on 27 July 2024, sir.
वो join, वो ले लिया? Has he taken charge?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वो अच्छा बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स मिलता है हमको सिडबी में. अच्छा, good. Manoj Mittal. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now I should revise that who is who. I am having one who is who. That I should alter and give it to you. I will give you about 50 people in positions in authority. उन लोग का position. I will give that to you later. Okay, Manoj Mittal, first class. Good. You got it correctly. And this is how you should go through again about that and then tell. Now, all this is only 40% of the interview. Next
Yes, sir.
60% of the interview will be fully based on what is your relationship manager experience and how many accounts were you able to bring and how are you going to bring hereafter new accounts for us. In fact, one boy who was working in a private sector bank, scale 1, you have to believe this, he appeared through me for Bank of Maharashtra after 2 mock interviews, failed. He went for State Bank of India, he failed. He went to Union Bank. They did not permit him inside the interview itself because there was some problem regarding the post-graduation degree. And he did
Yes,
not lose heart. And he again came to me when Indian Bank came with a non-resident account managership position, permanent position. And he came,
yes,
I was not satisfied with his performance. I told him, you don't have much exposure to NR accounts. He actually had no exposure. And I trained him about NR accounts, NRE accounts, NRO accounts, FCNR accounts, and then told him about how he can increase the business by getting in touch with people through social websites. So you also have to tell like that, social websites, and also developing your contacts through that, so that you will get new customer. That is in his case. In your case, I think you have to go through Probe 42. Are you aware of a website?
no, sir.
There is a website known as Probe 42, which tells about details of companies registration. Who are the directors? What is the product they are manufacturing? What is the address they are doing and all. And if you go through that, you will be able to catch hold of the new customers so that you can canvas accounts for them. And I suggest you talk to Canara Bank people and somebody in relationship to know about how it is done and all, so that you will be able to tell forcefully to them, to Indian Bank
Yes, sir.
people. I will.
Sir, actually, in Canara Bank, there is no such concept of relationship, sir. Only marketing officers were placed in scale 1, where they were like generating the only CASA business or the insurance. Uh, actually, it's the branch head or the second line, he is responsible for sourcing the business, sir.
Okay, then you doesn't matter. You please check up probe 42.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
इससे क्या मिलता है देख लीजिए. Also do a search in google.com or ChatGPT. Or different ways for getting new customers contacts for banking business or bank advances.
Yes, sir.
You search.
Sir, I had appeared for the Bank of Baroda MSME Relationship Scale 3 interview. The same question had been asked, sir. Suppose you are posted to a new place, then how at that place, how you will identify the potential industries and how you will converse the business, sir.
Exactly. And in that interview, 6 people came through me, 6 or 7. 2 or 3 people were selected. And you have to believe me, the selection was given for a person who was only a clerk for 11 years in a private sector bank in MSME advances. That person was given preference and taken as scale 3 in Bank of Baroda, whereas 2-3 others who were in scale 2 manager or officer in public sector banks, they were rejected simply on the count. The person was very good in his approach because he had been sanctioning, he had been in the section processing the proposals. So he was able to impress the interviewers and he was selected. And the advertisement, I checked up whether they mentioned necessity of any officership to help him. In the advertisement, there was no such indication whether you should be scale 2 man, scale 1 man, nothing was given. So he was taken in right tribe honorably. I think he must have.
Sir, another question they asked me similarly what you were saying, sir. That why you want to come from direct branch banking to relationship?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
yes, sir.
That is
So
it.
that was the question.
Yeah.
Why
Why
like
do you
you are
want to come?
comfortably?
And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
all that they were doing within 5 minutes, 6 minutes
Yes, sir.
in the
Yes, sir.
internet. And they have taken 200 plus people out of that. So now the only thing is confidence level should be still higher than what it is for you at present. I can 100% agree with you. Your confidence level will be low, obviously, for the reason you are not directly employed for so many days. Number two, you are having other personal problems. All on account of these, आपको confidence थोड़ा कम लगेगा. लेकिन आपका हवास में वो दिखाना नहीं चाहिए. समझ गया?
जी सर.
So इसलिए थोड़ा हंस के बात कर लीजिएगा, थोड़ा स्माइल करके बात कर लीजिएगा, जरूर आपको सक्सेस हो जाएगा. Only thing required is, and during introduction, you please tell about your disability and tell immediately that I have been doing it to an extent that this doesn't affect my day-to-day business. And I
Yes, sir.
resigned because bank did not. Yeah, so that's already discussed. So that is how you have to take care of that particular point. Otherwise, you are doing well. Now then,
Yes, sir.
only one area I will ask now. Again, I will repeat second time. Please tell me, what do you know about Indian Bank and its achievement in MSME?
Sir, Indian Bank had been established in 1907 in Chennai, and the founder was
पुराना स्टोरी
uh,
सब जरूरत नहीं, आजकल किसी को समय नहीं है. So we have just 10 minutes time in which we have to decide things. So you
Sir,
straight away come to present status. Indian Bank being one of the public sector bank headed by Mr. Shantilal Jain, headquarters in Chennai. Its involvement in MSME is this. बता दीजिए straight away.
yes, sir. Sir, like the total business of Indian Bank as on 30th June 2024 was 12.36 lakhs, out of which the total business in retail, agriculture and MSME was uh, 3 uh, 3.13 lakhs crore. Uh,
But वो सब जरूरत नहीं. You concentrate on MSME.
Sir, particularly the MSME figure was not mentioned anywhere, sir. I
Yes.
had searched after talking to you. I had searched the total MSME figure, sir, but nowhere it had been
Somewhere in
mentioned.
the website it must be there, na?
Sir, I was searching for their official website, sir.
Official website only. And another
Yes, sir.
point is you search in the 31/3/2024 balance sheet. उसमें क्या दिया है about their achievements relating to MSME, or the material I have given you, one material I have given you, Indian Bank promotion material. Did you see that?
No, sir, no, sir.
I
I
have
hadn't
given you one more material, Indian Bank promotion material. It's a 600 pages material. In that, in page number 328, they are speaking about MSME. उसमें in what way they are giving advances to MSME, उसको देख के लीजिएगा.
Sure, sure.
And what is their achievement about that? I won't be able to tell you, though I am from Indian Bank. हम तो इंडियन बैंक में था पहले, not now, in those days.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
now this and all, you please check up and prepare yourself. If you have any questions to ask, you can ask me. Otherwise, next time when I meet you, I will have a very detailed. Yours, I think it has come to nearly 50 minutes. Normally,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इतना तो हम नहीं करते हैं, but
Yes, sir.
I am free today, so I thought I can do it. Now, do you get any questions immediately in your mind? How are you traveling? You're going by flight?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow morning I'll be flying, sir.
Acha, good, good.
Sir, one thing is that, sir, I was very confident in the last.
One minute,
Uh,
one minute. I will stop this recording.
yes, sir.